Surprise and happy new year, y'all. I chopped all of my hair off. It's been straight ever since I cut it at the end of December, and now it's time to get back to our curly hair routine. So first things first, we need to make sure that this hair is gonna revert, because I did go to the Dominicans. I did get a lot of heat put on my hair, and we all know that heat damage is a thing. So yeah, you guys also know that I have low porosity hair, so it takes a year and a half to soak up any kind of water. So let's speed this up a little bit.
But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now.
All right, y'all, so far so good. My hair reverted back. Now let's go ahead and finish our wash day. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair with Head and Shoulders shampoo. I use the eucalyptus infused one, and then I'm gonna deep condition with my TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. And since I use so much heat on my hair, I do want to deep condition. So I left some of my deep conditioner in, and I'm just gonna sit under my dryer for about 20 minutes. Make sure that deep conditioner is really penetrating my hair and just soaking up as much moisture as it can. And now we are ready to style. The good thing about having short hair is that it hopefully should not take as long to style my hair. I mean, it's like 2 inches, so it really should not take long. So I'm gonna start with a leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I'm pretty sure I've been using this one for a little while now. This is actually my last little bit. So after this, I'll move on to another leave-in conditioner that I have in my stash, because I am still working my way through all of my freaking hair products, guys. Yes, I know, it's ridiculous. On top of that, I'm going in with this Marc Anthony smoothie cream as my cream for my wash and go, because you guys know I love a good thick cream. This is also the last little bit of this product, so we're making progress, y'all. I'm gonna layer that right on top of the leave-in conditioner, and then for my gel, I'm using this Fantasia Icy Hair Polisher Styling Gel. I think I used this one before. Wasn't exactly sure how I liked it, but I'm just gonna try it again. It's one that I believe my aunt recommended to me, and her hair looks freaking amazing. So gonna go ahead and try it out for myself. And then of course, using my Denman brush to make sure my curls are defined, and gonna repeat that entire process throughout my entire head. Woo! Now that that's done, y'all, 2020 was a year. I'm so happy we all made it safe and sound. I pray that you guys are still healthy, are still happy, and all of that good stuff. I do want to do a Q&A for you guys. I asked and I got some questions on Instagram already, but make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Send me any questions that you may have. Could be questions about my haircut, questions about whatever you guys want to know about. We're all nosy people. We like getting in other people's business sometimes. So this is your perfect opportunity to ask me about anything that I have not already shared with you guys. So yeah, that's that. And I'm not gonna lie, this part kind of had me a little bit worried, because it just did not look like my hair was curling back up. But I moved on, because at this point, what can I do? Like, if I have heat damage, it's just gonna have to be heat damage in my hair, and we'll figure it out at a later date.
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling, when you tore down my walls.
At this point, I did get a little bit lazy, which I don't even know why, because like I said, my hair is short. But as you can see, I'm doing like much larger sections instead of the smaller sections that I would have normally been doing if my hair was longer. I do think that next time I'm going to do smaller sections and just put a little bit more love into my routine like I used to when my hair was longer, just to see like if that makes a difference in the outcome. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know once I'm done with that, I did do a little bit of scrunching, just because like I said, there were some pieces that didn't look like they were curling up the way that they normally would, and I went back in with my Denman brush, just recurled some pieces that looked a little bit bushy. Of course, I did my edges, which I didn't do them as great as I normally do, but just kind of made it look like something. Went ahead and put my scarf around my edges and then went back in with my dammering brush to make sure that any pieces that looked frizzy were straightened out, because if it has frizz at this point, it's definitely going to be frizzy when it dries. So I need it to be as frizzless as possible right now so that when it's completely dry, I have as little frizz as possible. And then of course from there, you just let your hair dry.
Strangers again, like strangers.
Okay, y'all, so this is the real finished product. I did my hair on Saturday. Today is now Monday, so my hair is 100% dry. The curls have shriveled up as much as they're gonna shrivel up, and honestly, the way it looked on Saturday or Sunday, which is this clip here, I was not feeling it. I didn't like the way it was sitting on my head. It just looked, I don't know, honestly, it looked a little bit flat to me, but this has a lot more volume. I picked it on Sunday, obviously, when it was mostly dry, but I have not had to pick it since then. To sleep, I literally just put a satin cap on and hope the satin cap stays on overnight. So it's been super easy to maintain and I love it. Like, I think it's so cute now. Not as short as I wanted it to be, but I think it's short enough for me to be satisfied for now. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I know that people become really invested in other people's hair, so me chopping off all of my hair probably was a big shock to some of y'all. So I'm very interested to see what you guys think. I like it. I feel like I'll probably try to keep it short for as long as I can. Knowing me, I'm gonna want it back long by the end of the year, but we'll see. I told myself that short hair was gonna be a thing for me for the time being. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like my haircut. Don't forget that I will be doing a Q&A, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Send me all of your questions there about hair, about marriage, about 2020, about 2021, whatever you guys want to ask about. Go ahead and send your questions in and I'll definitely get that video to you guys. Happy New Year, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.